Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Filtru, Brew the Best Coffee app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Filtru is a smart coffee brewing app designed for home baristas and coffee enthusiasts who want to perfect their brew. It connects with smart coffee scales and provides interactive step-by-step brewing guides for popular methods like AeroPress, Chemex, pour-over, French press, and more. The app helps users achieve consistent flavor by tracking time, water flow, and coffee-to-water ratios precisely. The app's main feature is its brew timer and recipe assistant, which automatically adjusts parameters based on the coffee type, grind size, and preferred strength. Users can explore recipes from professionals or create their own custom brews, saving them for future use. It's compatible with Bluetooth coffee scales like Acea and Felicita, allowing for real-time data tracking during the brewing process. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users love Filtru for its clean interface, accurate brew guidance, and smart device connectivity, which helps them get a café-quality cup at home. The app also includes features like a brew log and flavor wheel to help users experiment and track their results over time. However, there are some drawbacks. The smart scale connectivity can occasionally disconnect during brewing, and some advanced features require in-app purchases. In addition, beginners might find the calibration steps a bit technical at first. In summary, the Filtru app may be worth using if you're a coffee lover looking to brew high-quality coffee at home with precision and consistency. However, if you prefer simpler brewing without gadgets or data tracking, it might feel unnecessary for your routine. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.